Hi, Pat1979 here. Gonna bring to you today a little unboxing about something I ordered from Handcuff Warehouse. Just gonna be a little preview of what I've ordered and what you may see a review on in the future. So hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna be using my Sanram U710 for the opening of the package. Pretty heavy though, pretty big package too. So ordered a couple things from Handcuff Warehouse. There we go, seems to be a little bit more tape there. Got off the corners here. Well, it's cut. It's just it doesn't want to come. Here we go. Like that. Just gonna cut that pieces here. There you go. And the other one. Here we go. It's not that the knife's not sharp, it's just that the package and the tape is, well, let's just say uncooperative, so. Let's see, where else can we cut? Right here. You know what? Screw it. Don't want to damage what's on the inside. As you can see, it's pretty sharp. Here we go. So what we got? A little sheet of paper. Some of the things I've ordered, but you guys won't know that. Won't see that. Alright, this is the Chicago Model X55. Hardened stainless steel handcuffs. Double lock. These here are the Chicago Model 1000. I want to review this because this is the cheapest handcuff you can get, and since there's a lifetime warranty on it, I just wanted to see if they were good handcuffs. So I didn't see any review on YouTube anyway, so I wanted to make some review about the Model 1000 and the X55. No real review out there for that. So 2 extra keys, standard American keys. These are called keykuffs. So you use these are reusable nylon wrap that you can use for pretty heavy duty too. As you can see, compared to my fingers, I got pretty big fingers. So you can use a key to unlock these reusable nylon straps. I wanted to see if these were pretty good, they were strong, and probably gonna make a test on this. So yep, you got that right here, and I've ordered, well, another one of these. So I got 2 reusable nylon strap, and I've ordered the what's this one called? The Chicago N100 case. So I could probably open that one up right now. This looks to be a good quality case from what I've seen. So I wanted to. Oh yeah, this shit is rigid. Shit. Oh, this looks to be quality. Look at the materials on that. Anyways, just a little preview of what I'm gonna do in the future. I also got 2 knives, which I have right here, which is the Ganzo 710, I think. Is that the model? Yep. G701. Sorry, G701. This is a Tanto axis style lock, which is a little stiff, but once I play with it, it's gonna be pretty good. And I've also ordered an inron. What's that model called? The inron. I don't have the model number right now, but this is the one that looks a little bit like the zero tolerance knives. So can't wait to do a little review on these. I just unboxed them right now, so I didn't want to do an unboxing about these. I'm just gonna do a review on it, so can't wait to play with them and tell you guys what I think about it. So let's do a little cleanup here. Show you guys 2 pairs of handcuffs, 2 reusable nylon straps, 2 spare American keys for handcuffs, and a nylon holster for the handcuffs. So hope you guys enjoy. Look forward to the review of these items in the future. Thank you.